Welcome to Quiz Fun Fest. Can you ace this GK and logic quiz? Let's go! Level 1, easy. Which color is not found in a rainbow? Maroon. Who painted the mural painting The Last Supper? Leonardo da Vinci. What's the capital of Belgium? Brussels. If Juliet is half the age of Rose and Juliet is 15 years old, then how old is Rose? Rose is 30 years old. Which planet is closest to the Sun? Mercury. Enjoying the quiz? Like and share with friends. And smash that subscribe button. 10 friends cruising from island to island. If 7 friends join them at one island while 3 leave, how many remain? That's right, 14. Where would you find the Louvre Museum? France. What is visible at night but not during the day? Stars. The sum of angles of a square is? It's 360 degrees. What is the currency of Australia? Australian dollar. Bandits at sea are referred to as? Share your answer in the comments. In geometry, a heptadecagon has how many sides? "17. Which food item never spoils? Honey. Which city is known as the Big Apple? New York City. How many bytes are there in a kilobyte? (1,024 bytes). A word that spells the same backwards and forwards is called? Palindrome. Level 2, hard. What is the phenomenon called when light bends as it passes from one medium to another? Refraction. Which shoe brand is named after a Greek goddess? Nike. What's the chemical formula of water? H2O. What is the right answer? It's 9. If Thursday is the second day of the month, then what day of the month is the upcoming Tuesday? Seventh. What is the 19th letter of the English alphabet set? It's the letter S. How many squares can you find in the picture below? There are 14 squares. What is 32% of 650? $208. What's the next number in the series? It's 16. How many 7s appear between 1 and 80? Seven appears 16 times. Pick your next challenge from the options displayed. Happy quizzing!